Pink Eyes 13, and today's video is going to be a very different kind of video. So today, so basically let's just break this down. Without further ado, make sure to subscribe down below by hitting that red rectangular button and make it gray. And then hit the post notification bell button right next to it so that way you'll get notified the second I upload. So yeah, make sure to share my channel with your friends and family so that way we can make the Pink Eyes family grow. So so let me just explain this video. So I'm a senior in high school, as you guys know. I have English 4 honors, and we're reading Hamlet. Well, we read Hamlet, and my final for the class is a project. My teacher, she gave us an option from like a list, and we could like choose what we wanted to do. And then I was like, oh, I can make like a video, because she was like, be creative, and she gave us these different like options of how to like make our project. And I think video was one of the options. I was like, okay, I'll film a YouTube video. And then one of the options was a work resume. So then I was like, we could make this like into like a verbal, like, you know, job interview resume type, you feel me? Like, if I'm being interviewed right now by somebody and then they're like, explain their resume, like, I'm just like reading my resume. That's how it is. I'm rambling a little too much now. Hi, MS.CONCEPCION'S. So let's just get started on with the video. I don't have an English accent though. Okay, so my character that I chose to do a project on is Gertrude. So let's start. Hi, I'm Gertrude, but you probably already knew that because I'm the queen. Queen G, Gertie from the block. I stay in Denmark. So my pager is 11 12 18, and I only do FaceTimes though because I'm high-key scared of things near my ear. Like, boo, I'm not finna die like my baby father did. If you're too ugly to FaceTime, I could email too. And my email is gertiegang@gertie.anna. So education-wise, I just had the normal princess training. Like, yeah, what you've seen in the movies, the tutors are real. Tutors are really big in fencing, art, and literature. I started having a tutor at the age of 4, and I stopped as soon as I got married to Hamlet, the late King Hamlet. I've only ever had one other job. It was at Sephora. I didn't like it though because they didn't have a hair salon like Ulta does. I figured if I worked there, they would train me to like do really nice makeup, like the ones that you see on like the MySpaces, where like there's a really horrendous girl and then there's like a really pretty girl at the end, all thanks to the makeup, because without makeup, she looks rough. And I really wanted to learn how to do that. Not that I'm rough-faced, but it's just so much fun. Like, all that creativity, it's like, whoa. Like, my tutors are big on art, so like makeup is a form of art. And so I basically just like the idea of being paid for doing something fun and learning. But I got fired because they said that I would try to fancy every customer's husband. I didn't try that. I didn't. The girls are crazy. Like, they can't take a charming woman going up to their husband and like just being nice and doing customer service jobs, you know? Okay, so let's talk about moi. So I'm really known for killing my baby's father, but I honestly really preferred Claudius over Hamlet. And you can say I'm more of a person that thinks with their heart than their brain. So I do accept that what I did wasn't okay, but I had no other choice. But a quality of mine is I have a really great personality. Like, you're just hearing me right now. I have such a great personality. Like, my personality is so charming. I could get anyone wrapped around my pinky. And that gets me what I wish for. Like Ariana Grande, 7 rings, like 7 rings. Made big deposits, my glass is popping. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. I got it, I want it, I got it. And well, I don't have the very best relationship with my son Hamlet, but that's my baby. Like, that's my baby. He's very emotionally unstable right now and is very, very resented of what I did to late King Hamlet. But I always try to be on his side, whether he is right or wrong, because he is my son. He could probably think the most absurd things are right or ask me to do the more absurd things, but he's my son. So I will always agree with him because I'm his mom. I should always be there to support him. And well, so since this is the end of my resume, I hope my charming personality helped me snatch this job, and I know that I will be hearing from you. Feel free to contact my escorts as soon as I walk out these buildings' doors. Miss Concepcion, give me 100. So bye, God bless you, see you very soon, God permits.